In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a contact list into Omnisend. Importing your contacts correctly is a really important first step if you want your email or SMS campaigns to reach the right people with the right information. I'll walk you through the process from inside your Omnisend dashboard, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, log into your Omnisend account and head to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Contacts in that left-hand column and click on it. This is where Omnisend stores and manages all of your subscribers and customer information. Once you're on the Contacts page, you'll see a button or link that says Add or Update Contacts. Go ahead and click on that. This is the starting point for bringing in new people, as well as updating details for existing ones. Next, choose the option Import Contacts from a file. Omnisend supports common file types like CSV, which is usually the best format to use. Before you do this, it's a good idea to quickly check your file on your computer to make sure your columns are clearly labeled. For example, with headers like email, first name, last name, and phone number. Now click on Browse Files. This will open your File Explorer on your device. Navigate to the CSV file that contains your contact list, select it, and confirm. Once your file is uploaded, Omnisend will show you that it's ready, and you'll see a button that says Continue to Mapping. Click on that. In the mapping step, Omnisend tries to match the columns from your file with the fields in your account, such as email, name, and so on. For this tutorial, we're going to keep things simple and just move forward, but you can always adjust those mappings if a column doesn't line up correctly. When you're ready, click Continue to Organize. On the Organize screen, you can choose how to group or tag these contacts. For example, by adding them to a specific list or segment. Again, to keep the tutorial moving, we'll leave everything as is and click Continue to Subscribe. In the Subscribe step, you decide the subscription status of these contacts, such as whether they're subscribed or non-subscribed. Make sure this matches how you collected their consent. Once you've confirmed that, click Continue to Finalize. Now you'll see options for how to handle repeating contacts, meaning people who are already in your Omnisend audience. Choose what you want to do here. Typically, you'll either update existing contacts with the new data or skip duplicates. Pick the option that fits your situation, then click Continue to Review. On the review page, Omnisend gives you a final summary of what's about to happen. How many contacts will be imported, how many updated, and how many might be skipped. Take a moment to double check that everything looks right. When you're satisfied, click on Finish Import. Omnisend will start processing your file and importing your contacts. Depending on the size of your list, this might take a moment. After it's complete, you'll be able to see your new or updated contacts listed under the Contacts section